नमस्कार दोस्तों, good morning everybody. I Tushar Jain, CFO and Research Head of Just to Money Guru. Welcome all of you today on 22nd September 2022. In this episode, we will discuss about Indian stock markets and what all things you need to consider for next few trading days. So, uh, जो भी व्यूअर्स हमारे एनालिसिस को हिंदी में सुनना चाहते हैं वो हमसे 10:30 बजे हमारे लाइव सेशन में हमसे हमें ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं, जिसमें हम हिंदी के अंदर एग्रो कमोडिटीज, नॉन एग्रो कमोडिटीज, राशिफल और भारतीय शेयर बाजारों के बारे में चर्चा करेंगे. सो कंटिन्यूइंग विद दिस एपिसोड, let us first look at the global markets. Yesterday, as we all know, US markets have shown significant volatility, and at the end they showed significant profit booking at the end. And yesterday, US uh, interest rates happened, and in the US Federal Bank have increased in the interest rates by 75 basis points, uh, and uh, Fed chairman also in his speech at around 12 o'clock as per the Indian Standard Time, which shows that central bank is hawkish for the next few months for the economy, due to which the American markets have fallen by around 1 to 2% if we see its indices. And the terminal rating set by the federal bank is 4.6% by the end of 2023 and 4.4% by the end of 2022. And further 75 basis point rate hike is expected in month of November, and 50 basis points is rate hike is expected in the month of December. And the target inflation which is set by the federal bank is at around 2% range. Now the interest rates is in the range of 3 to 3.5%. And if we see other news also due to which the American markets fallen, and the US dollar, and US dollar, that means dollar index, is at its 20 year high. And uh, if we see the crude oil prices also, price also have been fallen yesterday and they are trading below $90 a barrel. And also Bank of Japan maintain uh, its interest rates ultra low at minus 0.1%. And also Russian president is the news are coming up that the Russian president is mobilizing more troops and threatening for the nuclear attack also. And the news is of Russia stopping gas to the Europe is coming from weeks from last weeks. So there is a overall uncertainty going on in the global markets, but still Indian markets are showing strength. And today also, if we see the Indian markets, they although they open gap down, but now they are showing significant recovery, and both the major indices of India, that is Nifty and Bank Nifty, are almost recovered their losses, and currently they are trading almost flattish. And as you can see on the screen also, let us show the chart of Nifty and Bank Nifty. As you can see on the screen also, the Bank Nifty is currently trading at around 41,124 and is almost 80 points down. And similarly Nifty is also down by around 31 rupees, and is trading at around 17,687. And the thing which you should notice in Bank Nifty is that this orange line, which is the 10-day day, that is 10 days exponential moving averages, and throughout the September month, if we see, all the candles are above this 10 days exponential moving average line. And currently also it is trading above this level, and the 10 days exponential moving average is at the level of 40,872, which shows that the strength which shows that the strength is there in the Bank Nifty, and Bank Nifty is holding its stance despite of weak global cues. And in fact, whole Indian markets are still holding their stance in such a bad uh, global cues and such a bad global scenarios. The Indian markets are outperforming if we compare it with other major indices and major economies of the world. So this was the overall uh, look through of the market as of now. Now we will discuss what is expected to be happen in Indian stock market in next coming days. And since today is weekly expiry also, therefore some volatility can be seen. But as far as the Indian markets are concerned, the overall sentiment of the market is expected to remain positive. So you can look at the Pidilite Industries. It is although showing some profit booking by around 0.5% as of now, but it is expected to show further upward movement if we consider it for the next 1 or 2 trading months. You can consider Pidilite Industries. Also, if you look at the Bank Nifty is also showing strength, and it is expected to further show upward movement for the intraday basis. For the intraday purpose, as of now, it is not advised to hold big position for the interday. That means for the next day, the high risky traders are advised to square off their position on the intraday basis only, so that they will uh, not get worstly affected for any gap up or gap down, because the global sentiments are very crucial and very bad. But still Indian markets are showing its strength. But if Indian markets react to the global markets, then a cumulative effect of around 1 month will be seen on Indian markets, and Indian markets in that situation will see a severe breakdown. But as of now, the Indian markets are showing significant strength against the global markets, which is very positive sign for the Indian markets. So the overall sentiment of the market is expected to remain positive as of now, and Nifty, Bank Nifty are also expected to show some more recovery, and some more upward movement can be seen in Nifty and Bank Nifty on the intraday basis. So you can keep your eyes on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Also, you can consider Steel Authority of India. Steel Authority of India is expected to show some positive move, and if we see the other metal index, metal stocks also, you can also see Tata Steel. Tata Steel is also expected to show some more upward movement in next few trading days, and also National Aluminium is also expected to show some positive move. So this was the overall Indian our analysis on Indian stock markets. You should go through our standard disclaimer also, that all these information and uh, views are only for research and training purposes. And if you enter any and we will not be responsible for any profits or losses, and neither us or nor any member of our team will be responsible for any profits or losses. Before taking any trade, you should consider your personal wisdom, and you should consult your financial advisor. So that's all for the today's episode. I hope you liked our analysis. See you in the next live session at around 10:30 a.m. Thank you and good day.